And now let's start with the super night mode. So we have the Action 6 on the left and the Action 5 Pro on the right. So how is the footage? This is the super night mode. I'm in the studio. Obviously there's a light behind me, so at least we can have an idea how is the footage. Let's move on this side, the window. The Action 5 looks very good. Action 6 a little bit more brighter, but again it's a small screen. I'm gonna check when I see the video on a bigger screen, so at least we can have an idea how is the footage. Let's move on to more darker situation here, so at least you can have an idea. I'm in the living room, there's no lights, but let me know what do you think. Let me tap the screen. So yes, this is super night mode. This is the first step that we're gonna do. Let's go back to the office and let's sit here. So super night mode on both cameras. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think?